I found a way to make these insanely viral animations without touching a single frame of actual animation software. No joke, these paper-style videos are exploding right now, millions of views. People think artists are hand-cutting every single piece of paper you see on screen. They're not, it's AI, all of it. And today I'm giving you the entire workflow for free before anyone else figures this out. I need you to look at this for 1 second.
In December 2007, a 20-year-old Lionel Messi bathed a 5-month-old baby for a Barcelona charity calendar shoot. 19 years later, that baby grew up to snatch the World Cup right out of the GOAT's hands. Against 1 in 48 billion odds, Lamine Yamal and Messi collided on football's grandest stage, and the student didn't just learn from the master, he dethroned him. At 39, Messi's final international dance ended in heartbreak as Argentina fell to a relentless Spanish squad. At just 19, Yamal completed the ultimate changing of the guard, carrying Spain to glory and proving that the baby in that tub was born to rule the sport.
I've made a lot of videos. This might be one of the most satisfying things I've ever watched come together on my screen. I was not ready for how good this looked when it finished rendering, but I am ready. I am so ready for you guys to hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 50,000 subscribers, and it means more than you guys know. Let's go. To create these viral paper stop-motion videos for free, click the link in the description and download the free prompt pack. Inside, you'll find 4 prompts, and we'll use every single one of them. I'll show you exactly how each prompt works, so follow along carefully and don't skip any steps. Let's start with the first prompt. Copy it and open your favorite AI chatbot. I'll be using Gemini, but you can also use ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek. Paste the script generation prompt, then enter your video topic. For this example, I'll use this article, "The Story Behind the Iconic Photo of Messi and Lamine Yamal." You can simply enter a title, or if you already have an article, paste the entire article instead. One thing I really like about this prompt is that you can choose the length of your script. Whether you want a 1-minute short or even a 15-minute documentary, it works. For this demo, I'll generate a 1-minute script. Click Generate, and your script will be ready in seconds. Now let's create the visuals. Open a new Gemini chat, then go back to the prompt document and copy the second prompt. This one generates image and video prompts in a paper stop-motion style. Paste the prompt into the new chat. Gemini will ask you to provide a sentence from your script. Simply copy one sentence from your generated script and paste it there. For this example, I'll use the first sentence. Gemini will instantly generate both an image prompt and a matching video prompt. Normally, I'll use these prompts directly inside Flow with Nano and Veo to create the visuals. However, our first scene features the real iconic photo of Messi and Lamine Yamal. So instead of generating it with AI, I'll use the original image, converting it into paper style. Here is how to do that. Upload the original photo to Flow, then go back to the prompt pack and copy the fourth prompt. This prompt converts any uploaded image into the same paper stop motion art style. Paste the prompt into Flow, attach the original photo as a reference, and generate the image. As you can see, the original photo is transformed into an amazing paper-style illustration. Now we need to animate it. Go back to the prompt pack and copy the third prompt. This prompt is specifically designed for image-to-video animation. You can use it to animate any image. Paste it into Flow, attach your newly generated paper-style image, and generate the animation. That's it. You've successfully turned a real photo into a paper stop-motion animation. For the rest of the script, the workflow is even easier. Take the next sentence from your script and paste it into the prompt generator. Copy the generated image prompt and use it in Flow with Nano Banana to create the image. Then copy the matching video prompt, attach the generated image as a reference, switch to the video tab and generate the animation. Repeat the exact same process for every sentence until you've created all of your scenes. Now you know how to transform both text and real images into beautiful paper stop-motion videos. Once all of your visuals are ready, it's time to create the voiceover. Copy your entire script and paste it into ElevenLabs. Select a high-quality voice, then click Generate. Finally, sync everything together using your favorite video editor, and your video is done. I won't cover the editing process because I'm sure most of you already know how to do that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials like this, and check out my previous videos for more creative AI workflows.